Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to make calls on Google Home Mini. Let's go. Open Google Home app. Settings. Communication. Voice and voice apps. Link your Google Meet account and turn on your device. How do I call the speaker? Open Google Meet. New. Call my home device. To answer the call, click on the light bulbs. That's it. Now you know how to make calls on Google Home Mini. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.